What's up, chat? Just getting started here, marking everything out. So far, really not too much going on yet. See, overnight we dumped down pretty hard. Yeah, so this was that low yesterday. That liquidity sweep type of low right here, that I thought was going to keep taking us up to new highs and take us up past here, up into the 144s, where this is. Didn't happen, so we'll keep an eye out and wait for the next opportunity. But for now, I'm just gonna wait. Gosh, I hate this. For now, I'm just gonna wait for something to happen, really. Keep marking out the different levels and try to wake up here a little bit. A little tired. Marking out yesterday's value area low, and yesterday's point of control. I'm just going to do those two for now, and then I'm going to do a little zone around the high volume node, just because that'll kind of act as like a resistance point for us. So we'll just keep an eye on that as the day goes on. So now we'll just go like, here to there. So that should be good. So now I got this area up here, yesterday's volume high, so we'll probably end up testing that. Pulling back a little bit right now. Still being held down by a VWAP. Crazy deja vu right now. Interesting. Big old gap on the Qs. Could be good for the longs, which would take us right up to, I think, would take us right up to where that support is that we just drew. So we'll see what happens here. Otherwise, it looks like we're being held down by this pivot point on the QQQs. Dollar's kind of just chopping sideways, kind of dumping. Nvidia's still chopping sideways. Nvidia also has got that gap. Yeah. I got these different levels marked out where there's kind of like the biggest orders. So you can see it's pretty equal right now to the top side and the bottom. But that 18,000 level is right here, then 1850s are still all the way up here. So we'll kind of watch. Let's check out the book map. What's good, Nerd Kurlov? How we doing? A lot of orders coming in. Might be kind of holding us up here. We'll see. We'll watch it. We'll watch how we hold 17,900, and then we'll see what we want to do from there. Also added timed sales over here, so this just shows like some of the biggest orders that come through the book, so you can kind of see what those guys are thinking. Type of spiel, I guess. I'm gonna mark out this kind of just area here. Good amount of volume here. I think if we wick it again, I'll probably end up taking a long off this just because Kind of had a good, wrong screen, my bad. Had a good amount of consolidation here, and then we pushed up. I know it wasn't a crazy push up, but still something to note, as it was at 3:40, 3:30 a.m. So we'll take a look at that. Otherwise, as far as news, I'm not too sure what we got for news. Let me see here. $8.30 crude oil inventories. And then not some stuff till later. Got some stuff at 10 later today, but that's it. Crude oil inventory. So we'll watch and see how this zone holds up here. And then hopefully we'd be able to take it up to, we'd watch it here at 67s and then watch it and see what we do up here at this kind of current high of day area. But just gonna keep an eye on this. Dumping in here pretty hard. This isn't really like a technical zone, it's more so just kind of like a consolidation area. Aren't you tired? Are the trades get a little tired? Yeah. Trades, haven't taken any trades yet. I haven't seen anything yet. So we're starting to lose this level here on the book map.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
It's 900 level.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 34.
I'm gonna hop in it with like 3.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 32. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 11.
So I'm in this with 3. Put my take profit at yesterday's value area low. Just gonna kind of watch this and see how we react to all of this with the volume over here and everything. And yeah, we'll go from there.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 15.
So I kind of like how we swept this like that. This wick.
Trade NQH for CME
And
at the
now
MDB by 10.
we're rejecting pretty good.
Trade NQH
See if we
for
can keep,
CME at
see
the
if we can keep
MDB
going,
sell
but
12.
yeah, volume's pretty thin down
Trade
here for now.
NQH for CME at the MDB by 13. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
Pretty heavy close there. I think we'll get the, I think we'll end up sweeping this low here. So if we get a pop back up, I'll try to take it off.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 14. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 12.
Girl, I'm trading NASDAQ right now. Currently about to get stopped out
Trade
on this trade.
NQH for CME at the MDB by 11. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 20. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 36. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 19.
So we're starting to lose this thing pretty good here.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 20.
Gotta be able to trust the shorts, but at the same time, it's kind of hard. So we got that 1850 level down there. So we gotta keep an eye out for that. Could see some resistance here on the book map at this 1875 level.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 11. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 16. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 14. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 14. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 20. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 13. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10. Trade NQH for
Jeez
CME
Louise,
at the MDB
man, what
by
is
10.
going on?
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 12. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 21.
A lot of volume here. Pretty heavy volume to the downside, obviously. Things moving pretty quick right now.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 33. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 15. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 12. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 12.
I mean, there's a good chance we just lose this thing right now. This thing could just dump all the way down with zero remorse. Gotta keep an eye out for this liquidity sweep trade we would be able to take here because we've kind of just been doing that. So if we kind of wick this pretty hard, that might take a stab long. Oops, not showing the right thing, my bad. If we wick this low pretty hard, I might take a stab long, target yesterday's value area low, and then watch and see if we're able to reject up here or what we do up there. Otherwise, if we just keep dumping, then we'll just keep taking out targets, I bet. That is all I got so far. Bookmap is showing we're experiencing a little bit of hold up down here. So I mean, I don't know.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 14. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 32.
So he just missed the close of that candle, but let's watch and see what we do with this here. Bookmap kind of showed a nice rejection at that bottom down there. I feel like it'd be too late now for me to get in this, but I'm gonna watch this fair value gap area and this wick test and see if there'd be an opportunity for me to get in there. Maybe we target like that 60 or that 50 level. Write it down from there.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 12. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10.
Got some buyers stepping up on the book map right now. I mean, let's see if we push up to like the 12s maybe, or 15s, kind of up in here. 15s would be a good short. See if you can get one more push. 15-minute chart's wicking it pretty heavy, so you gotta keep an eye out for that. Only problem right, I don't know. Let's check out crude oil. Holy cow. All right. So crude oil's got a crazy zone right now. It's got a couple zones actually. That's huge. That's a big push. Only problem with crude oil is I just really don't know what's gonna happen with it. It's so it moves very interestingly. Like it's super slow right now, then it'll just have an insane pop up. So
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 11. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 12.
so far down 1,000 on the day. We'll get it back. No worries at all.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 30. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
We're gonna see if we can get this to push up into this fair value gap. Maybe get a wick test here. We got some volume that would hold us up right up in here. So we'll watch and see if we push past this. Then we get to the kind of the VWAP and all that over there. But so far I shouldn't have even taken this long down here. Only reason I took this long earlier was had a lot of consolidation right here. Thought it would be a possible spot for us to bounce and then sweep out all this up here, which we kind of already did with this, but I wasn't very convinced. So I'm just gonna wait, see what happens. Got some liquidity down here on the book map, so see if we can get a sense of direction. If we reject at this level again, I might hop in along. Oh. What's up, Jay? You guys made any money today yet? Anybody make money yet? Anybody? Alright, so this is that level in the book map that we could reject a little bit. Kind of here at 875s. So it would be right now for the current price.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
I don't know. I mean, it's hard to short this right now. Plus, you gotta remember, we still got that gap fill. So maybe we're just dumping it down. I mean, this is a little trap. A little trap. I don't know, it is seeing some resistance though. I'm gonna hop in 5 here. I'm gonna watch it pretty closely, but overall target will be at 65s. It'll be new highs in yesterday's value area low. And I think that would be close to the gap fill as well.
For CME at the MDB by 12.
We'll see. Could be completely wrong here. Kind of a
for CME at the MDB sell 19.
kind of a low-key shot in the dark, but seeing some resistance here at the bottom, so we'll give it a shot. See if it pays out. Nice red to green candle there.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 21. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 20. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10.
First big target I want to watch is this fair value gap up in here. Right up in here. I kind of want to see what it's going to do up in there. Push up in there, baby. Come on. Keep pushing. Go. Come on. Keep pushing. I want to see you get into this fair value gap here. No reason we shouldn't. Come on.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 17. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 14. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 12.
Watching this pretty closely here. I really thought we were going to get that push up further to at least into the start of this fair value gap here. So the fact we didn't is a little heartbreaking, but it's alright.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
Let's hope we bounce it one more time here. Come on. Nothing interesting down here for you, Mister. Oh God, dude, come on. Really? Pull back to current point of control right now. Trying to watch it closely, see if we're going to keep bouncing this thing. We'll see. Little blue line algo there. So, I mean, we're still bouncing it pretty well off this low. So I think we'll definitely get this push up into this fair value gap. Another nice red to green. I want to see some expansion, I guess you could say. I want to see some expansion off of here for sure. All right, let's see if we get that fair value gap push. I think we got to keep going. Take it off right there, 1400. Just wanted to get back, get my head back above the water. I told y'all we get it back. We got it back. We're at 315 on the day. I know, Gavin, I was down like 1100 though, so I had to cover myself. But yeah, it is going up for sure. No doubt. I mean, look at the book map. Look at this. Oh, of course it's lagging. Look at this bounce down here. This is perfect. Money. Had a pretty good entry there too. So there's that wick test, almost. Let's see what this looks like for the Qs.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11.
So one winner, one loser so far. Luckily the winner is bigger than the loser. I would say if you're still long, I would hold this for sure. At least till VWAP. Watch what we do at VWAP, and then if we can get past VWAP, all we're right about is high of day, yesterday's value area low, kind of that area. Marking out the low of day for the initial balance high and low. So this green line's high of the session, red is low of the session, orange is yesterday's value area low, yellow, and this zone is yesterday's high volume node and point of control. So usually a spot of rejection. So we'll see how if we get up there, we'll see how we react up there. If not, we'll just take it easy. Gavin, how were the trades last night? How were the trades last night?
in QH for CME at the MDB by 29.
You got some pretty strong buyers coming in here. 67, 32. All at kind of like that 920 level. So that 920 level is an interesting area where people are gonna possibly bounce it. You trade it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go down.
1800.
Up 18?
Yeah.
On the funded?
Well, no, this is the combine.
Oh.
Up like 400 and 100.
Took this long down here.
Yeah, so did I. I'm gonna.
Dude, I tried to get long off this. This looked like it was gonna be like a crazy zone.
I think I'm gonna get short at the supply zone. Look at
Up
all
here?
Yeah, look at all the volume up there too. We were chopping there for so long.
Gavin said it's going up, bro.
We barely tapped into it.
I just don't know what the zone would be.
It's that green candle before the.
I think I'm gonna stop marking out zones and just kind of like. Every time I try to trade a zone, it doesn't fucking work. Just watch the wicks. The wicks. $940s up here.
Feel great. Feel great.
Trade in QH for CME at the MDB sell 16.
I don't have too many nerves right now. I don't know how I'm gonna feel on that first tee. It's been so long, but
Gosh, Anthony Kim is crazy.
Wait, when does he play? You should watch that. Is that today?
No, tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, right?
Dang it, it didn't even tap into the zone. It's like a tick off.
You think you could lock this now?
What is that?
Like, I don't think you usually have to like hover your mouse over there for everything to like stay up there. No, it just keeps it up. It's all this stuff.
Trade in QH for CME at the MDB by 10.
Holy, what a wick.
Yeah. I think this might be going up though.
I think so too. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I ate so much last night. I ate all the taquitos.
Dude, really?
My McDonald's.
I don't remember what time I went to bed.
CME at the MDB by 16.
I asked Kyle what his daily bias is.
Oh, that's satisfying. That's like a cup.
Are you gonna write that on the wall right now?
Oh, right now. Jeez. Dude, I'm freaking tired.
I don't know.
We get equilibrium right now in the middle of a 5-minute gap.
Would have failed.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 30. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10.
I don't know, dude. That liquidity sweep was pretty crazy.
To the downside?
Huh? Out of the upside. And we got a gap. You wanna be a boss? And you gotta pay the price.
Yeah. Alan here. Hi, Alan. Brought him in to sell his Mercedes. Yeah. Was it 2018?
Damn. Oh my gosh, TradeRate's so laggy.
Yeah.
I pressed order filled like a minute ago.
Yeah, it's very lucky. No, Alan, this car has some body damage over here. It's like straight here, and it has like a dead thing there. I don't know. And the wheels are curved. Next time, I'm just gonna do the 25.5. I don't want to piss you off or anything like that. All right, let's do it. Okay, I'm not gonna haggle with you or anything like that. But I just want to let you know from our perspective though, like, you know, when you send photos to us, usually we ask customers, like, when you ask customers how the condition, like, how is the condition described? I would say it's fair. This is like fair. Like, you see the ding right there in the quarter panel, and then the scratches here on this bumper here, like all these scratches over here on the back. And then on the other side, on the bumper, there's like, you can't really see it in the pictures, and we're just doing your car with pictures, you know? So like, do you understand, right?
Just got another eval pass. Let's go. Fire, dude. How big? How small? How large? Really need a better close on this candle here. Are you still short?
No, I took it off because it popped back up. I thought it was gonna go up.
Da-da-da, please don't do it. What a close. See, now I don't want to be long. That's why I should have waited for a freaking close. I need 4K on the 150K. I feel that, dude. I feel that type of pain.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10.
Oh, what a disciplined play right there.
Indeed. Yeah, I still need $20,050 to pass this eval. So you're in a much better spot than me, dude. Gosh dang it! I think this long is gonna play out.
Do you know what these black orders mean? Like when it comes in black?
Uh-uh. Have I ever passed the 300K? Not yet. The account was up like 6K yesterday, and then I had a little fun in the afternoon session and lost it. So currently reset down about $50 on the account right now. So that's the reason I said I need to make $20,500, which I think might just shoot for the stars, aim for the moon today. Slap 20 contracts on there and make it happen. Go for gold. That's what we do.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 16.
Damn.
Jeez. We gotta go to the gym today.
Oh, I have to.
See, according to the schedule, we go at 9:45. According to the schedule. I wonder what the activation fee is for this. It's only like, I think it's like $105 or something like that. It's the activation fees are all the same. But that's monthly. That's what I hate about Apex is the monthly activation fee.
Trade NQH for CME.
I'm not a fan. So we got this bottom we bounced off of earlier we're coming up to.
NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
I think we're gonna sweep it. Ah, you did a lifetime. Wait, what do you mean? It will show how much time is left on the candle.
Wow, look at this wick, dude.
That is pretty crazy. So we don't quite get all the way down to this 875 target, so I think this might just be a trap for longs.
Did you just get long? I didn't know you were gonna say that. Yeah, I want to see a push up to VWAP. I'm gonna flip short.
I don't think we're gonna push up right now. I mean, Jesus, we could. Holy fuck! Never mind.
That's in my zone down there too. And a lot of buying going in, so it affirms my.
Very right and hit the gear, and then very right hit the gear, and then bar count down. Are you talking about on the book map or on the charts?
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell EP.
I'm not too sure what you're talking about, if I'm being completely honest. The one thing that has helped me a lot is if you click the right gear and hit the bar count down. Bar countdown. Then click enabled. Shoot, I'm not even showing it. Do I change the alerting or what is it? I don't understand what it's doing here. If I'm being honest. We're gonna find out, I guess. I got 4 minutes till we get to find out. Jeez, I gotta start trading on my funded. We gotta have that. Nah, leave alerting alone. Groove, I can't remember. Are you the ICT? Do you trade ICT? Yeah, it shows how much time before the next candle prints. Yeah, I usually just look up here at this little clock. Because I only stay on the 5 minute. Wow, holy smokes. Gael's probably getting stopped out right now. Break even.
I cut my long because it came back down.
Grim, what do you trade? You wanna be a boss? Then you gotta be the boss. Yeah, what's your Grim, what's your strategy though? Like, what do you look for? Because I know you've been in here before, but I just can't. I think it was a couple weeks ago.
Dang, bro.
Got a little bit of resistance up here. 27, so 17's for us, kind of right in the zone, and we're just ripping through it, so there's that for you. So let's see if we reject here, maybe we sweep something. Crude oil's pulling way back. Oh my, that's why. This is the hourly chart. That makes sense. There's a price action for like 9 and 20 EMA with 200 SMA. Fire. Seems legit. So we got rejected again here at the top. I really want to grab a short, but try to go out to 30 minutes, 15.5, and then look for my entry off 1 minute. Yeah, I've been trying to find my entries on the 5 minute recently. This is hard because we're bouncing down here and we're also rejecting up here, so clearly we're just in a tight little range right now. This is crude oil. Holy smokes, look at crude oil right now. 8 fundeds from me, but no payouts yet, still learning. Ah, you were the one with the 8 fundeds. I remember that. Hey, I feel your pain, bro.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 10.
Jeez. I'm just gonna turn this off.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 20.
Yeah, 8 funded is crazy, bro. Alright, so we're up at VWAP now. Haven't gotten that 40 push yet.
I think we're gonna push 40s.
Yes, sir, Grim. Later, brother. Good luck with the APAs. Dude, I didn't win it. I didn't win anything. That's wild. You wanna be a boss? Then you gotta be the price. Jeez. Oh my gosh, dude.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 40.
By 40. Wait, is your time and sales like the same? What's the volume filter? Oh.
Dude, I'm 2,500 from 2 contracts.
Damn. Dude, what the fuck is that stop loss?
Trade
This
NQH
is
for
supply zone.
CME at the MDB sell 11.
Oh.
So 38. That's what I want to see.
I don't know, I think it's just choppy. Jappy McJapperson.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 15.
I like this short. There's a lot of sellers coming in right now. We need a strong close though. Just not
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 16.
You wanna be a mouse?
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 30.
I think that 40 level wants some love. Initial balance high and low is set already. Wowzers. It's already 8:30. You wanna be a mouse? Yeah, you gotta do that, Max.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 12.
This is boring.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 15. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
Oh my gosh, dude. I feel like it's just freaking non-stop news and chop. News and chop. News and chop. Berries and cream. Berries and cream. Oh, I live a lot of berries and cream.
The Michelin man.
You are not him. You are not him.
I told her, bitch, I'm him, quick plan. Around with a boss, but bitch, get in.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 11.
I told her, bitch, I'm him, quick.
My Golf Spy recommends for low spin the MaxiFly Tour S. And then to the right of that is the Pro V1X Left Dash
For maximum or for
for low spin. High Spin, Shrixon, Z-Star Diamond, Wilson Triad, and Callaway Chrome Soft X. So does that just mean you can hit nippers with those, or what are we saying? Who's in this chat right now? Is it still Nur Kurlov? Nur Kurlov's the GOAT. That's why he's the GOAT! Oh shoot, I think I still got charged for that instantly.
Call him, bro.
You call him.
It's your card.
Jeez, you can get 5 dozen vice balls for $130. What do you think about that?
I think Marcus might be going to Vice.
Who?
Marcus.
Might be going to Vice? What does that mean?
To get our balls.
Oh. You think we get this 40 low?
I hope not.
This is low-key nice.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 30.
Oh
Oh,
my gosh, did you see all those orders just come in?
oh my gosh.
My screen just went to this, bro. Like all buy orders.
It's probably because I entered 20.
The fact that all those buy orders came in and we got no follow through is a good sign.
Nick, you should get hell divers. What are hell divers, Mitch? Oh, it's a game. Dude, please hold for the love of God. What is that? 927s. Short 20 right now, Chad. This could be a problem if we get no follow through here. Double top. I'd love to see us hold this up and Would honestly just be a nice win for a change. I haven't had a win in a while.
We get a strong close here.
Mitch, what is Helldivers? Is it like a... Looks like League, dude. Looks a lot like League. Not a fan of that. It's the lit opposite of League. That can't be true. Boy, no way, boy.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
I mean, a double top at VWAP. If there's a setup that should work, it would be this.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 11.
Then again, it could just wick us out and we're done. Come on. No reason. No reason.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 16.
Oh, that's what that guy announces are the black orders.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 19. Trade NQH.
Then what are the black orders?
MDB sell 19.
I don't know. But when he said sell 16, the black one came in as 16. Or by 16.
You wanna be a boss? Then you better pay the price. Oops, sorry, chat. Copyright. Nate's playing? Jeez, he just stopped out at 111 orders. Holy cow. Longs, question mark? Take my 600. Proper risk management right there. That's crazy. Dude, that just shot my commissions up. My commissions were like $20 before that trade.
They're 100.
Yeah.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 15.
Did it come in as a black order?
Mm-hmm.
The 15? Mitch, is it Helldivers 2?
Trade and QH.
Jeez, it looks realistic as
26.
crap.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 12.
It just looks like zombies. COD zombies and Warzone combined. Alright, Chad, we were short 20 contracts. If it goes down and hits this value area low, I might cry because I would have passed this 300K account if it does. If it breaks this double top, I will rejoice.
CME at the MDB by 15.
Rejoice.
Holy shit, somebody just bought 90.
by 25. Trade and QH for CME at
Look, dude, like, how does this guy get this footprint chart? What? Oh.
CME at the MDB by 24. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 30.
What is this on? This might be Quantower, I think.
That's it.
I think so. Yeah, I think it's Quantower.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 10. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 10.
At least go back up into the zone.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 10. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 20. Trade and QH for CME at
Oh my gosh, this is tough. Jeez.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 10.
Final question. Who buys in? You were out there. Did you feel the energy of this crowd? It's unbelievable out here. Final question. Who buys dinner? You were out there. Did you feel the energy of this crowd? It's unbelievable out here.
Jeez. Taylor Gooch said the Live Tour is like the Ryder Cup for the President's Cup. Dustin Johnson laughed at him. His own teammate. Holy smokes, thank God.
On a behind.
Oh my word, thank God I did not hold that, dude. This could be the liquidity sweep. Watch out, chat. Mitch, what's your P&L?
Oh my, look at all the orders all behind. What's happening?
Dang, look at this.
Oh my, what's happening?
Holy
Look at
cow.
all the behind, dude.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 26.
There was that long, dude.
QH for CME at the MDB
Uh,
Trade and QH for CME at
oh my gosh.
This thing's ripping, dude.
QH for CME at the MDB sell 40.
Look at this. Hold on, chat.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11.
Buy, stop, run.
360. Probably just ran all the shorts.
How is that legal? Minus 600, probably looking to call it unless a pristine setup. I mean,
Trade and QH
oh my gosh.
MDB sell 15. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 24. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 20. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB
Jeez.
sell 10. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB
What
sell
in the
15.
world, dude?
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB
I mean, look at this candle, Mitch. I think you're gonna get it.
QH for CME
Look
at
at-
the MDB by 10.
That's the new PLD.
I think so, yeah.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 70.
Yeah, Mitch, with this push, I mean, I think you're gonna get your. I think we'll get you a setup here, kid. All right. I think you're gonna be just fine here. A lot of hold up here, though. Holy,
Yeah, a lot of selling.
look at this.
QH for CME at the MDB by 20. Trade and QH for CME at the
Trying to call the top right now, chat. This is my best guess. Trying to call the top. Top. Imagine we wick this entire thing. 2 minutes left. Shoot.
Oh, I know.
I'm assigning your ticket to the turn over and get back to you so you can.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 12. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 30. Trade
Dude.
and QH for CME at the MDB by 70.
At 9 o'clock, it literally went like all green.
The Time and sales?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. So if I'm looking for aggressive selling right now on the time and sales.
Well, buying, but like no follow through. Buyers getting trapped.
Yeah, it looks like they're getting their follow through.
Yeah, we're shorting a massive candle right now.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 20. Trade and QH for CME
Well, those
at
buyers
the
just came
MDB
in
by
again.
11.
Oh. Hello.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 10. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 90.
Jeez, this does look like some hold up, low key. Sweep the highs. It's just a strong sweep of the highs. Dude, this is what the guys swing with, like, that we played with. Literally like Charles Barkley.
The one that you said hits like pure cut?
Yeah.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 10.
Oh. Watch this.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB
Oh my
by 11.
gosh.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB by 20.
This looks friggin' money for the longs on the 1 minute. Look at that, dude.
Yeah, I've been thinking about
want to join you, but it's like we're getting hesitation up here.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 70. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 80.
Like, that's just more rejection. We saw this yesterday and I was pissed I didn't take it.
A lot of selling just came in.
Yeah. But they're not getting paid. Oh, maybe.
Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB buy 19. Trade and QH for CME at the MDB sell 11.
Maybe the long off this pivot point would be fire. What is that, 40s? See if we get the 40 touch. Just trying to make a couple bucks here. Just give me my money.
Trade and QH for CME.
Here's what we're looking at.
By 30.
I think this should be something worth taking a look at. Longs off the pivot point right here. Nick gets out and let's dump it. Shocker. We don't get 40s like that. Come on. 39.75. Spink.
Yeah, the consolidation right now for the longs are pretty crazy.
Gosh dang it, dude. Like, I see this and you just have to know that thing's gonna dump after that. It's so freaking free. So free, brother. Nice wick at the pivot point. Might pull the trigger. Actually, no, we're gonna wait. We got like a minute on this candle. Jeez, look at that time and sales.
They're not getting much follow through.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 11.
Ooh, it's a nice S-Wick. Please let me get in.
Trade NQH for CME.
I want to fill out with this guy's saying it. What a setup this is. Mitch, are you seeing this?
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 17.
Now we just gotta make sure we get past this.
If we break the high, I think we are going to go up to the 85s, that pivot. Way up there.
Mine's at 90s. Bitch. I got this up here as interest. How much am I making right now? 20 points. What is that? Probably like 7K? Wait,
20 points
hold
on
on.
what? 20 contracts?
Oh, never mind. No, this is like only 4K. 3K. 3.5 maybe. I need more. What a fucking trade, dude. This should be the 30 contract long right here.
Right. Don't jinx us, dude.
Just gotta watch the book and make sure we get past this.
The book's getting buyers right now.
I'm saying this, I want to make sure the... Shit. Uh-oh. Auto. Keep pushing. Come on. Oh my gosh, I hate when the book moves like this, dude. Come on.
Let's see. At least see a 50 push. Didn't even get the 50, dude.
Dude. Brother. Please wick it.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB sell 12.
There we go. We gotta push 51s. Come on. Let's go. Go.
Trade NQH for CME.
There you go. That's a good wick right there.
Go. Push 51s, dude. 52s. Nice. 53s. Final spot would be 57s. 57, I think, is... We break 57s, locks us in for at least yesterday's value area low. And then we watch it from there. 90s, next pivot point. Might not be a smooth ride to 90s, but whoa, look at my drawdown. Went up to 8,000.
I'm out of there, dude. $3,500 day on the compound account.
Let's go.
The one losing trade.
Where should I put my take profit?
I don't know. I had mine at that pivot up there. But if we break these highs, I think we'll go to it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna lock in 10 here and then let the rest go for the rest of the day.
I really like. Oh my! Look at that buying, dude. Wow, look at that buying.
Nice little wick again. Nice strong push here. We'll see if we can lock in 10.
Dude, look at my time in sales. Holy
Hang on.
shit.
There's 10. Now we're going break even with the rest of the 10. So that there was, whoa, it's messed up. How much was that? I don't even know. It's a good amount. But we lock in 10 there. Now we're gonna let the rest of the 10 run till 90s, I think is what we said. 88, 90s. And if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. If we don't, we take it off at 90s. That is the plan, Stan. I'll show you what we were looking at on TradingView. We had this really strong push up. We had some resistance on the book map. This is the 1 minute chart. We started forming this kind of falling, I don't know, whatever you call this. But then we tested this pivot point perfectly, left a very nice wick on the 5 minute, which is one of my favorite setups. Entered here, locked in profit at yesterday's value area low. See if you can see it. This is yesterday's value area low right here, so we locked in some profits there. And now we're break even. If we get this push, we get it. If we don't, then we take our profits and run. GG's. Let's freaking go, dude. Let's fucking go. 18,000s. 90s, 18,000s. Push. How much am I making right now?
With what?
50/50s to 90s, so 40 points, 10 contracts.
8,000?
8,000, so I need more.
You're trying to get the full 20?
Should I just put it up to 18,000s?
Well, I think that's fine.
I mean, we're wicking this value area low right now, so I'm not liking that at all. But
I love this time in sales, dude. Look, when you got filled,
oh my gosh,
dude.
jeez. Yeah, holy, look at that. Just all green. That's crazy. Nice freaking wick, dude. Come on, NASDAQ.
What a take profit.
Yes! Yes! Alright. Now we need a breakout on the 1 minute. And we watch a 1 minute breakout. So we're testing the highs right now of what we had. Please don't pull back to 51s. Please don't pull back to 51s. 55s is low right now. 55s is the low. Okay, wicking 55s, which is the high right here. Let's see. need some resistance and then a breakout to show some continuation here. Some strength. Yeah, 45 seconds left on this candle. Would be nice to show some strength here. Come on. Let's get this breakout. Still in it. Stops at 51.75. A little resistance here. Want to see it hold. Interest at the 70s right now. Really get interest at 70s. Want to see it hold this bottom here, break out. 5-minute candle is going to close with a wick at yesterday's value area low. So we could get some sort of trap here, but we're starting to get the breakout on the 1 minute. Now we just got to see if we can hold it. Want to make sure it holds this double bottom here. Blish. Yes. Yes. 70s. We got to get through 70s. Hold this bottom. Might be sweeping stops right now. No sweeps yet. We swept 33 when we pulled back. That decent amount there. So now we're just looking to hold here. Fair value gap touch. Not interested in moving my stop lower because I don't want to lose on this. Just stopped out 21. Need some buyers to come in.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 16.
Wow, that refund's gonna feel nice. So we're pushing lower now. Didn't stop. No stops run on this push lower. I'm gonna cut it. This is dead to me.
Trade NQH for
And
CME
it pops
at the MDB
right as I cut it. Awesome. Super wow. Wow, it actually pops. Holy smokes. What is going on? Yeah, see, look. Even though I made that much because I let it run up and come back, my drawdown is still that.
Wow, that's so
Yeah.
gay.
Yeah. It is. Alright, Jared, I think I'm gonna call it. You calling it?
Yeah, dude.
Let's go to the gym. Let's go to the gym. Ooh, crude oil is entering this demand zone. So I'll take a quick look at crude oil before we leave. So this big gray box is a resistance that we marked out on the 4 hour. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 touches now. So kind of just a general area we're looking at, but we got all these different demand zones within that we're also looking at. This zone does look pretty good, but I mean we're coming into it with some friggin' speed. So
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 12.
point of control is, drum roll please. Point of control is 78.05. $78.05. So, I mean, maybe we start wicking 78.05. Pretty harsh pullback to say the least. The zone within a zone is here. Let's wait a minute, see if we get that.
Is today a leap year? Is this year a leap year?
A leap year? I don't know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look, I screenshotted it. There's Patrick Long 80 contracts.
Jeez. Wowzers.
Oh, when are we leaving for this gym too?
Couple minutes. I'm gonna see how this reacts right here.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 11. Trade NQH for CME at the
Oh, here goes that 70 push. Gosh dang it. Wow, it's back up. Oh my gosh. I literally cut it right at the bottom. That hurts.
Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 17. Trade NQH for CME at the MDB by 18.
Alright. Here she blows. Crude oil touches point of control. Most volume. It's wicking. Alright, we're gonna go long 2 on crude oil, stop below the lows, take profit up to this high right here. And just make sure everything's right on this. 77, 77. Alright. So we're long off crude oil, only 2, kind of just still testing the waters with crude oil. Want to see like how it reacts and everything with these zones. Yeah, Nasdaq tested this previous day value area low. Could be a good short off of this. We're seeing some good resistance up here. Then again, we just had some crazy buyers push it right up into there, so be careful with that. As far as if we push past this, next target's 18,000's big level, and then this is yesterday's point of control, and from about the 10s to the 20s is yesterday's high volume node, so it could be a possible reversal spot. So keep an eye out for that. Short side interest. What do we got? I mean, I would say first target for shorts would be 37s, then 09s, and then you can just target anything down here at lows. Here we go, chat. Crude oil trade up 140 right now. I will see you guys.